guys, from Vito Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Today we are not in the pizzeria, we are in my house because I'm going to show you a little trick how to cook the pizza Neapolitan style in the regular oven from the house. But this is gonna be a little bit complicated, but it's a little trick how to cook the pizza a little bit faster, the regular oven from the house. So now let's go see this little trick. Pay attention and like the video. Okay guys, so this is the oven. Now, you know, we cook the pizzas here usually, but today I'm going to show you how to cook the pizza under here. You're going to have the flame that goes towards the top. So we are going to put the stone under there and we are going to put the pizza on the stone. So the flame on the top will cook the pizza a little bit faster. So now the first thing to do is put the stone for 1 hour to warm up in the oven. So let's do this first. We set up the pizza stone just right there. Then we close it and we let it warm up for 1 hour. Here's the dough. Gonna stretch it. Very gentle because this dough is about 2 days old. I'll take it off all the flour. Gonna stretch. Very gentle. The dough is really soft. Now we'll put tomato sauce. Guys, a little trick is that before putting the mozzarella, we are gonna pre-cook the dough with tomato sauce only. After, when it gets a little bit gold color, we take it out and we add the cheese. This way the cheese doesn't get burned and crispy. So what I like to do is also put a little bit of olive oil on the crust, just a little bit. This way helps to cook. Now, get it? Make a little circle. Okay, now we're going to put it in the oven. We open, on the side, voila, and we close it. So this one, the flame that is under the oven, but in this case the pizza is under the flame. So the flame is supposed to help to be more hot. So let's see. Okay guys, after about 2 minutes, let's go check it out. Amazing, amazing. So now we take it out, we close, make sure always to close the oven. And we're going to add the other ingredients. So like you can see, I got a little bit of crispiness. Now we're gonna put some little bit of basil, little bit of Parmesan cheese, little bit of mozzarella, and a little bit of olive oil. And to finish, I put a little bit of oregano to make it a little bit more flavorful. Now, let's go back in the oven. Voila. So now we have to check about after 2 minutes, we check it out. I just turned it because I cook a little bit to one side. Now it's cooking the other side and we are ready to see the result of this pizza. Okay guys, let's go see. There we go. The pizza is ready. Look at this. It comes out a little bit crispy on the side. Let's check it out the bottom, the pizza. Well, it's not bad. For the first time cooking on the bottom of the pizza. The bottom of the pizza is cooked, but it can be cooked more. So to be able to cook it more, just leave the stone for about 1 hour more extra in the oven, so it warms up the stone a little bit better. So the pizza will cook a little bit more faster. So for video purposes, I just made the pizza really fast and the video really quick. So this is the result. So we got a little bit of crunchiest, little bit black, and you can see this result only with the flame. So it worked out really well under the oven. So please make sure you like this video, share, this way you help the people that love the pizza to make a better pizza home. So come on, soft, crunchy, still a little hot. Buon appetito dal maestro Vito Iacopelli. Thank you so much for watching. See you at the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Viva la pizza!